Hey you guys, guess what? Today we are going to give us tea and bread. Guess what? We have our tea here and we have our milk. Sugar is optional and we have our tea water. This is hot water that has been put on the fire already. Guess what? We are going to put our tea here and make sure you stir very well so that it will not have any lump. And we want to add our milk there. Wow, it's going to be awesome. Okay, I'm going to stir it very well. And guess what? Serve. And this our bread, our loaf of bread is ready there. To catch it up, as you can see, going to enjoy this one. Sugar is optional, as I've told you. Don't forget to subscribe, click the button, like button, and comment below. When you subscribe, you'll be the first one to see it as soon as the film is out. Come and join me. Mama Ella African Kitchen. Your family will love it. Mama Ella African Kitchen. Your family will love it. You can use honey to eat it, to drink it, and at the same time you can use sugar, or you can take it like that. It's very good for the breakfast. Mama Ella African Kitchen. Your family will love it. So as you can see, our tea is ready to heat now, and to eat with bread. Now, don't forget to comment below, please. If you like sugar on your own, comment and let me know. And if you like to use honey, just let me know. And if you like to take it like this, like me, I don't like sugar, I prefer honey. And if I don't get honey, I can still drink it like this with my bread. So if your own is like my own, please just comment and let me know. And what do you want me to do next? Just tell me and let me know the next video I'll be able to do. And if you see anything to comment for me to make amendments, please go ahead and let me know. Bye bye.